mentioned again before the Supreme Court, and the CJI has said that the matter will be taken up on April 14th. Now, the Muslim side lawyer has claimed that arrangements for wuzu have not been made and they had to use water from the drum. And he also said that all that the Muslims want is that arrangements should be made, proper arrangements should be made as it is Ramzan month going on. But the CJI has said that they will take up this matter on Gyanvapi Rao on April 14th. So big update on the Gyanvapi Rao, which was mentioned again before the Supreme Court. And now the CJI has said that the matter will be taken up on April 14th. Now, the Muslim side lawyer had claimed that arrangements for wuzu are have not been made given that Ramzan is going on, and now the CJI has said that the matter will be heard on April 14th. CNN News 18's Ananya Bhatnagar, who tracks the Supreme Court, is joining us. Ananya, can you give us more details on this Gyanvapi Rao that was mentioned before the Supreme Court today?
Well, this is mentioned for the second time, and the Supreme Court had already said that it will be hearing the Gyanvapi Rao on the 14th of April, because remember that since the Ramzan are going on the Muslim side, the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid, who is the main petitioner from the Muslim side in this particular case, had actually knocked the door of the Supreme Court saying that, some special arrangements should be made so that, some kind of a prayers can be offered at that particular mosque during the holy month of Ramadan. And if you remember that it was the sealing orders of the Supreme Court that any kind of prayers were actually forbidden at the Gyanvapi Mosque since there is already a dispute pending upon it. And now, again, a request has been made that the mosque should be desealed and prayers should be allowed to happen there at this point of time. So what happens next is something that we'll get to know on the 14th of April when the matter actually comes up before the Supreme Court of India. Now, what would also be very, very interesting to see is that whether it would be the same bench, a bench headed by Justice Chandrachud, that would be hearing this particular matter, or would it be some other bench that would possibly be taking up this case?
All right, Ananya, thank you for giving us all those details. Well, that's